Hello guitarists, my name is Zhivko Nikolov and I'm a guitar instructor for the lead guitar program in Chicago. Today I'll be presenting a video lesson of the song Counting Stars by One Republic, and I'll be discussing level 1. As we see, we have 10 measures of rest and we start playing on the 11th measure. We're going to use rest strokes when we play, so we're just starting with the exercise of walking index and middle on string 1. So let's practice that and just use it as a warm-up. 1, 2, 3, 4, E. Focus on the motion of the fingers and the lightness of the touch. This initiates and establishes the beat of our piece. We're going to play the part a little slower than 120 as we're supposed to, but feel free to push up the speed as you know the part a little better. So let's start playing through it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down to the A, up to the E. 1, 2, 3, down to the B. And then you can prep the A. We can use the open B string to prepare the A, so we make sure we don't miss it. Okay, so we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. As you see, my second finger is already on A before I need to play it. So it always gives us a little more security when we play guitar. Then we continue with the same motion, the same part. And here we switch to half notes. So let's just take it from measure 50. Okay, so 1, 2, ready, half. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here comes the fun part. So we can now leave the guitar and start clapping loud and clear. So let's give it a try. We clap starting quarter note beat. It's a good exercise for rhythm, and we very much often do it when we have a rhythmic challenge. So let's establish the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now let's do just the connection. I will be measure blue measure that we see here, and that's measure 50, 60, and we start with quarter notes, measure 60, and transition to 8 notes. Okay, so here's the beat on quarter, and this is the last measure before our transition to faster pace. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, let's try it again. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then that brings us back to a small part. So here we kind of need to connect quickly so we can clap as we're holding the guitars and we play with the video. So let's do measure 69 and carry on from that point. Okay, 1, 2, ready, E. And clap. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 So you can clap and hold the guitar at the same time, um, and that will set us up for the end of the piece. So I hope you enjoyed the video. This part is really fun, and use the clapping exercise to really establish the rhythm and get a strong sense of it.